All right, we've made it to the last slide, which is our whiteboard work slide. Now, at the beginning of the year, I might put a picture of let's see, for short A, I could put a picture of a cat or a bat or maybe some jam. And I would expect them to possibly write on their whiteboard as they check their work on mine. I would expect them to write maybe the first sound they hear or maybe the word, and later on in the year I would start to expect them to write complete and coherent sentences. And then even at the very end of the year I would expect to start adding in what I call sparkly words, but adjectives, into their sentences. So the first thing you want to do is choose an image that focuses on your phonemic skill for the week or the day. So I'm going to go to Insert and I'm going to go to Image, and I am going to go, now I don't already have one, so I'm going to search the web for an image. And over here on Google Images, I'm going to put, let's do a cat, since almost all of my students love cats. And I am going to choose this image, and I'm going to press. Down on the bottom, you'll notice it says Insert. Now this picture is a tad large, so I'm going to make it smaller and fit it into my box. Now if I'd like to change the size of my box, I can do so at this point as well. I'm going to make my sides go in, and I'm also going to make this piece go down so that my cat can fit inside. And now, again, depending on the point of the year, I might tell my students the word cat, and they might need to write the beginning sound, or they might need to sound out the whole word on their whiteboard, or possibly a sentence, or even a sentence with sparkly words or adjectives. And then if I'm writing a sentence, we will use these stars to do a 5-star checklist. And again, I project my lesson onto a whiteboard so I can also write on these lines as students are checking their work, or maybe at the beginning of the year as students are doing it at the same time. Thank you so much for listening to my videos about how to complete your own phonics template. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me via my blog or via my email, which is all on my Learning Innovation Lab website for ABC Media.